Okay, so we have authority. What does that mean to everyone?
Look, if you had to ask me pre the thematic goal conference, I would have thought it was more around an authoritarianism type situation where people at the top would tell us where we're going, but also tell us how we get there. And you wouldn't always get where you're going. It was just more, these are what the rules are, this is what your job is, this is how you do it, and just move on that way.
You know, it is kind of like that, but there is certainly, there's the thing that I've discovered looking at it in detail is that there is a clear vision or mission statement just decreed from above, so from leadership.
Yeah.
And then everyone knows exactly where they're going. It's clearly communicated, and then employees are given the authority to act in a way that, you know, in their own individual way, their own independent way, to get the job done.
Yep, absolutely. If you look at the quadrants, authority kind of sits right here. So the independence over here, obviously there's that independence to get to the outcome that's been clearly communicated to them. However, the outcome has been communicated, so that gives that stability.
Yeah. Right.
So as long as they know what the goal is, they have that freedom and independence to get there.
Which is
how they like.
really cool, because for me, I think we do have that freedom and independence to get, you know, I know where I need to go, and you know, who I report into gives me that freedom and independence to get there. So we do have that, don't we?
We're given it. There's less. I think you're talking about empowerment, though. Like we actually did a survey since the thematic conference where we asked people how empowered they feel to make their own decisions,
right.
And it was nearly 80% said that they feel empowered, which is good.
Yeah,
that is good. But if you think about that and you think, well, that means that at least 20% don't feel that empowerment.
Yeah.
Right. So there is 1 in 5 employees for Flights and Travel Group Canada that don't necessarily feel empowered. And I think that's where we can really strengthen our authority, try and make sure that everyone feels that they have that capacity that supports our vision statement.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, even if you look at the dominant trait, which is results.
That was number 1.
Yeah, it falls here, which is high on the independence, which is that ownership, obviously part of our philosophies. But in the same quadrant, but not quite as much stability. So where we see that opportunity is to close this gap here, is to create more stability by really clearly communicating a strong vision statement or mission.
And who has good vision statements?
Amazon, Tesla, which we will go into when we look at the business case studies that we've looked at.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
On to those.